This is Mino Barsoom with CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. In today's tip, I want to talk about time-saving tricks you can use with your Speedfire when you're crystallizing Emax. So in the manufacturing phase, if you expand your menu, you'll see a tab called Shade. And under the Shade tab, you're going to find three different translucencies for Emax: Impulse, HT, LT, and MT, and also the MO block for abutments. Each of these different shades has a longer or shorter firing time in the Speedfire. So what some users tend to do is they inadvertently select the MO or the Impulse material, and they fire the HT, LT, or MT, and it ends up taking significantly longer than it needs to. So one thing you want to do before you click on the milling button is to make sure that you choose the proper shade so that when the firing cycle is sent to your Speedfire, it's the correct cycle. So hopefully this tip helps save you a few minutes during your process, and we enjoyed this video. We look forward to seeing you again soon in future videos. Take care.